Garlic is a versatile food that can be found in many kitchens around the world and has been used for hundreds of years. While it is commonly used to flavor dishes, it has also been incorporated into home remedies. Garlic has many beneficial qualities that make it a nutrient-dense food. Despite its high calorie content of up to 100 calories per 100 grams, it is unlikely to cause weight gain as it is not typically consumed in large quantities. Garlic contains both complex carbohydrates and proteins that can improve physical performance and mental health. Additionally, it is high in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, sodium, potassium, and magnesium. One of the most important compounds found in garlic is allicin, which is composed of sulfur. The health benefits of garlic are vast. It can help treat infections, metabolic disorders, and respiratory problems. Garlic is a source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and regulating blood pressure. Furthermore, garlic can increase blood flow, prevent premature aging, and kill germs more effectively than some prescribed antibiotics. It can also aid in fighting fluid buildup and inflammation in the body's tissues. Overall, garlic is a nutritious food that has been valued for its health benefits for centuries. Incorporating garlic into your diet can help improve your overall well-being. An old family secret that has been passed down for generations involves placing garlic under your pillow to improve sleep. This may sound unusual, but garlic has been known to enhance various bodily functions. Its sulfur-containing compounds and strong aroma can have a calming effect, making it especially helpful for individuals who struggle with falling asleep. Although the aroma of garlic can be overpowering at first, after a few days, you will adjust to it, and you'll be sleeping so soundly that you won't even notice it. Garlic doesn't just improve your sleep quality, it also positively affects your performance throughout the day by helping you recharge at night for the next day. Another way to experience the benefits of garlic for sleep is by preparing a natural drink. To make this drink, you will need 1 glass of milk, 1 crushed clove of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Simply combine the garlic and milk in a saucepan, heat until boiling, and let it boil for 3 minutes. Then, remove it from heat, let it cool, and add honey. Drink this mixture around 30 minutes before bed for the best results. Garlic's ability to improve sleep quality is just one of its many health benefits. If you want to learn more about its uses and benefits, consider subscribing to our channel for additional recipes and tips. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Garlic is not only one of the best seasonings, but it is also a powerful ally for your overall health, including sleep problems.